Today we are back at 3836 Vaquero. We just did a sewer line repair for a really bad offset that was here in the line. You can see here's the house right there, 3836. Gonna run the camera up towards the house to show the good PVC headed that direction, and then the remaining clay that we've now hydrojetted and is completely clear, running all the way out to the tap. As you can see, as we're running through here, the line's completely clear. No broken PVC. Everything's in really good shape, and that's the cast iron pipe heading back under the foundation, which is in good shape as well. Okay, now we're going to run out to the street. And there's the tap, 54 feet. Everything looks really good.